Steve was Warrington here from your next car Dunedin. Today we're going to have a look around the stunning 2015 Toyota Sienta Hybrid. So for a start, it's got the more up-to-date mozzarella body kit around it, so it hasn't really got that soccer mum look. So this is a full 7-seater, 5-star safety rating to keep all the kids safe. Got your electric doors. What's really brilliant in car parks, makes it easy access there. So check out that for fuel economy. 4.6 litres per 100 Ks, so that's unbeatable, and you also get rewarded with the clean car rebate of $1,243 for buying a fuel efficient, low emission, safe car. So you've got nice and easy access to the back there for the kids, so you've got an extra couple of seats there. You can fold them away as well. So I quite like the clear tail lights on the back of these too, so it just adds to the look nicely. And let's have a wee look inside and see what's going on there. So for a start, your safety features a stability control, it's got collision assist, it's got lane departure warning, ABS brakes, dual airbags, ISOFIX car seat points, and also a reversing camera. Really like the dash on this one. Got the orange piping that just breaks it up a wee bit on the steering there as well. And check this out inside the glove box, I love that. It just adds a wee bit of retro to it. So if you want a brilliant hybrid that's just been freshly complied, that gets the clean car rebate, that keeps you safe with low emissions, good fuel economy, this might be you. And you can drive it away today for $17,999 or around about $126 a week on no deposit finance. Come find your next car.